Hello children, welcome back to another class of our environmental studies. Let's begin our class with a wonderful thought. Nature is a miracle we depend upon. So today we are going to see some of the miracles of the nature. Let's continue our journey with some more planets. You must have seen a movie called Mission Mangalyaan, isn't it? So here is our fourth planet in the solar system, that is planet Mars. It is a dusty red colored planet, and this red color comes from the iron dust. Next planet in the order of solar system is Jupiter. This planet is said to be the largest planet of all the other planets. It consists of gases like hydrogen and helium. Next planet in the order of solar system is Saturn. What is so special about Saturn? Well, Saturn is very famous for its beautiful rings, as you can see here. So it is famous for its bright, beautiful rings, and these rings are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. Next planet in the order of solar system is Uranus. It is far away from the sun. It is said to be an ice giant. Its surface is made up of ice. Its blue color, as you can see here, comes from the gas named methane. Next planet in the order of solar system is Neptune. It is again the farthest planet from the sun. It is very far away from sun. It is also a gas giant because it consists mainly of gases. Its blue color also comes from the methane gas. Now, the next planet is the Pluto, but it is not considered as a part of the solar system. It is known as a dwarf planet because it is far away from Uranus and Neptune, the last two planets, and it also moves independently around the sun. Now you will ask, what is independently? See children, all other planets till Neptune, they follow a specific path to move around the sun, but Pluto has its own different path to move around the sun. That's why it is called a dwarf planet. Now you will ask, what is orbit? All planets move around the sun in a specific path which is called an orbit. Suppose you want to reach your friend's house. You follow a specific road, isn't it? You have to follow that road and then only you can go to a friend's place. Yes, here also planets also have to follow a specific road to move around the sun. That road is said to be an orbit. So again I repeat, all planets move around the sun in a specific path which is called an orbit, and Pluto is a dwarf planet because it is far away from all the planets and it moves differently. It follows a different path, it follows a different orbit to move around the sun. That's why it is called a dwarf planet. So what we have learned from our today's lesson: planets in the order of solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto is different because it is a dwarf planet. What is orbit? All planets move around the sun in a specific path. It is called orbit. Let's see what is our today's homework. You have to write points written under the heading what we have learned for 2 times in your notebook. That's all for today's lesson, children. We will meet in the next lesson very soon. Till then, bye to all of you.